What's up guys, Tato Boy here and welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time, welcome and thanks for watching. And as always, if you haven't subscribed yet to my channel, please consider subscribing and don't forget to like, share, and smash the notification bell for you to be notified for my next video. Today in this video, we are going to unbox my new acoustic phone. Ayan, pinili ko pa ito sa Shopee. Ayan. Taran! Ayan po guys. Bakit ako maglalagay ng acoustic phone sa aking mini studio? Para po, maiwasan po natin yung echo. Lalo pag nag-livestream ako at di maiwasang kumanta kasi may nagre-request na kumanta ang aking idol loves Leia J. Barbero. By the way, what is acoustic foam? Acoustic foam is an open cell foam used for acoustic treatment. Alright? Merong misconception talaga with regards to acoustic foam. Na akala nila ito ay pang soundproof ng ating room. Mali po yun. According to Google, nag-research talaga ako guys, no? Just like light, sound waves can pass through even the smallest hole or opening in holes, walls, or any material. So acoustic foams are installed to reduce noise pollution as they remove echoes and background sounds, not by blocking the sound, but by absorbing it. So yun po ang ibig kong sabihin na hindi po ang acoustic panel or acoustic foam natin pang soundproof. Alright? Move on na tayo kasi hindi po yan ang ating pagtatalunan sa vlog na to. Ayan po, mag-unbox po tayo sa aking bagong acoustic foam at ipapakita ko po sa inyo kung paano ko po ina-install ito without damaging the walls or even the acoustic foam. Alright? So if you're interested, just keep on watching. Let's go! Ayan po guys, sisimulan na po natin sa pag-unbox. Tayo ng scissors. Wow. By the way, na-disinfect ko na po. Hinina pa lang pagdating ng order ko. Oh, may message pa. Dear buyer. Meron pang, I think it's a double-sided tape. So, wala na muna to guys. Alright, so wow, amazing. Thank you so much ha. Thank you so much talaga. Shopee here. Oh, naku. Ano na talaga. Yung pilit na. Kumapit na sana. Kumapit. Open muna natin to. Kita nyo ba? Ang liit, no? Ng scissors. But gusto ko to guys kasi meron siyang merong takip para safe na safe. Binigay ata ito ng ating client. Oh, here we go guys. One. Uy, sobrang liit pala nito. I mean, sobrang nipis. I ordered 12 pieces for black color. I think this is gray. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Look at that. And wala siyang amoy. Napapansin niyo po, habang ini-open natin yung package, sobrang nipis niya. At talagang hindi ito agad-agad na nagba-bounce back. So, because it has been packed in vacuum, compressed. So it takes about 48 hours for it to rebound completely. So So mag-antay pa tayo ng 2 araw. May ibang paraan din para po mag-bounce back agad ang mismong acoustic foam. Ibabad po natin sa tubig, pigain, ilagay natin sa labas painitan, or pwede din natin i-blow dry. Ayan. Tapos, install na sa wall natin. Ngayon po guys, paano natin ikakabit ang acoustic foam? I bought this sa National Bookstore. Ang tawag dito is plastic corrugated board. Ayan, so talagang plastic siya, parang fiberglass. Gamitan ko ng plastic board para dito ko muna ididikit ang acoustic foam. Pagkatapos niyan, ilalagay ko ito sa bintana. Detachable siya para pag hindi na ako nagla-livestream at kailangan ko ng preskong hangin, mandali lang siyang tanggalin. Ang good thing naman dito kasi pwede mo pa itong mabit-bit kung kasi naka-rent lang tayo dito sa Cebu sa studio type na natin, space dito. So, pwede kong bit-bitin.
48 hours later.
What's up guys? We are back and yan po 24 hours po natin itong hinayaan lang para manginan guys. Ayan, and ngayon po ay bigyan na natin ng double-sided tape. Alright? As you can see guys, after 48 hours, ang ating acoustic foam ay umalsa naman. Pero hindi na siya umalsa ng todong-todo. Yun na talaga yung kanyang final form. So this is it. This is it, one sip. Dahan-dahan lang. Dahan-dahan. Huwag padalos-dalos guys. Baka magdugo. Check this out. Ito po yun. Ayan. Look at that. Diba? Ayan guys. Ayan. Ito po yung ko. Ayan. Nasa Spider-Man. Dito kasi, plano ko kasi na lagyan din dito ng acoustic foam. Para din naman na mabuo yung buong area nito. Pero dalawang line. Lagyan na ganyan. Makita yung setting. Wow! Ito na po guys, ang huli. Alright. Woo! Guys, ayan po. Ito na po, natapos ko na. Ayan, as you can see po. Wow! Kung napapansin nyo, hindi ko na nilagyan ng kagaya nito ng plastic. Dito diretso ko na dinikit sa wall. Kasi yung ginamit ko na double-sided tape is yung 3M Scotch tape. Yes, at for me, talaga hindi naman talaga siya nakakasira ng wall. As you can see. So, pwede siyang, di ba? Pwede siyang tanggalin pag gusto mo nang tanggalin na hindi masisira yung wall mo. Alright? Wow, amazing. Mic test, mic test. Hello, mic test. Hello, mic test. Hello, mic test. Guys, at that's all for now. Maraming salamat sa panunood nyo and sana ay meron kayong nakuhang ideya sa vlog na to. And if you have questions regarding our vlog, ayan, don't forget to leave a comment down below at sasagutin po natin yung mga tanong niyo. And this has been Tata Boy Chavez saying, be amazing, be kind, basta't matik yan. Tata for now.